Welcome to Traveling Spoon with Ivy. Today, I will be showing you how to make a quick and easy toss-up noodle. This recipe is salty, sweet, tangy, spicy, all in one, and it is delicious. It is also quick to make that it's ready in no time. Let's get started. We're going to be starting off with a tablespoon of peanut butter. Next, we will go on with some soy sauce. I will also be adding a tablespoon. Some oyster sauce. A teaspoon of it. For that, we will be adding some pure sesame oil. Also just a teaspoon. Pinch of sugar, quarter teaspoon of garlic, mashed garlic, just some ground pepper. And now let's mix it up. Our sauce mixing is finished. And now it's time to add in the noodles and the other items. We will start off with some chicken just for protein. For noodles, I personally like homemade noodles, but you can use any noodle you have in the house. So just go ahead and dump it in. Now that's ready, we can go ahead and add in a pinch of our greens, just to lighten up our salad. That's literally it. Let's start. I have my noodles. Put more salad greens on top to brighten the look. An egg on the side. And voila! As you can see, this is a very quick and easy dish, and I hope everyone can get a chance to try it, so you know how tasty it is. See you next time!